Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to use the navigation pane. The navigation pane on the left side of the screen allows you to navigate to different sections of DL Freight platform. Each section over here is represented by a tab. First, the dashboard tab. This is your default view when you log in into the platform. It displays the widgets that have been configured. Next, the Workflows tab. The Workflows tab displays all the shipment workflow instances within your shipment workflows. Next is the Master Table. The Master Table contains the list of all the master rate tables that are used by DL Freight platform. Next, the IoT data. This tab contains the GPS-based data that is applicable to your load. This concludes the video for how to use the navigation pane.